Let me see his
Put a
chompers.
sweater on.
Let me see his chompers.
The lack thereof. Look at them. You can't. He's so cute. He like falls over when he runs and stuff.
He falls over all the time. Get him going, I guess.
He recording. He doesn't look at all.
Hey.
His head is so big.
I don't think you should be looking at your shoes, especially when they're so polished. See? You shouldn't get them fixed, you should breed them.
Tough girl.
Get a grip. Oh, I hit her. No.
Madison is its name.
Who gave it its name?
I did.
When?
Yesterday.
Why?
That was the name of Gesundheit.
Gesundheit?
That's a German name. He goes, how about that? Gesundheit. Oh, that means God bless you. What's wrong with that?
What an
The
idiot.
kids like that. God bless you.
Every time someone sneezes, the dog's gonna come running. Oh, I hope she never turns into a brat.
Yeah. I used
I'll be able to look back on these footage on the fond days. Ah.
before the
Has
podcast
Dan seen
started.
it? Has Dan seen it yet?
Mm-hmm.
And he likes it?
He really seemed too interested. He had Ralph with him.
Who's Ralph? Oh, his...
Yeah.
That's dog's named Ralph?
Ralph is king in the world, so he's busy chastising Ralph.
Who got my pen?
How about Dad?
Hmm?
Does Dad like it?
Who bought it?
Tom.
Tommy went and did the
He
cash
saw it in the
transaction.
paper and he saw it was at three. He's been looking and he saw a 363 number.
Did he try and hustle?
I don't think so. I think he wants to hustle him for the 3 boys that are left.
He wants to buy it?
He wants to buy another guy. He said, well, what if I offer him 300? Dad said no.
The time to do it is when you make one, you know? The time to do it would be to do it all in one sale. Why, he wants to breed these things? Okay, enough is enough.
Oh, really? You must make a lot of good money.
No, how much vet bills are and how much dogs. Okay, I know so many breeders, it's just women that do it. They never make any money.
You can't chew Dad.
She's so fragile, though.
How do you figure?
Legs are so short. She can't get
She can't.
so wrong.
Why?
What?